Hey everybody, it's Cora, one of your Jujube creative crew of spring 2022. So Jujube has sent me out the second shipment of the new bags that are about to be released. So this is going to be another unboxing first look. So let's get started. So I know Jujube had that live not too long ago of the new releases that's coming out, and we saw so much eye candy. And some of those bags that they showed, we already got. I think if you guys saw my last couple of videos of the unboxing first look, I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen. I think these are going to be bags that have already been released, such as like vitamin D or the Echo, and some bags that aren't set out to be released yet, or they're going to be released soon. So let's see what they have for me. I already see some beautiful eye candy. Oh my goodness, you got ladies. Look at that beautiful BRB in this color. The Be Right Back backpack. And this is in the Sea Fog. And when they showed it during the live, I thought the color was so pretty, but this in person, however they showed it on the live, just did not do it justice. But it is so much more beautiful inside. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. So let's go ahead and go over this BRB real quick. It looks like there is the Go Tone colored hardware. Hopefully it's not turning out very blurry for you. And it's kind of like a very muted, darker shade of a lilac. This is definitely something I want to get. And the fabric is so soft. Oh, and then the BRB comes with a change pad. Look at that color. And I don't know if you guys have tried the Chromatics material yet, but I'm actually a huge fan of the Chromatics material. Oh, here, let me hide what's in here, and then we'll go into those later. But here is the inside. Oh my goodness. Looks like the lining of this is much darker than what I have in the lilac Chromatics and the Just Peachy. And also my water Chromatics. Looks more of like a kind of a cappuccino color. Not like a dark coffee or anything, but or a mocha. But that just looks so pretty. It's so neutral. Oh, that is pretty. And the material it's slouchy, but yet still structured, because the BRB is a pretty structured bag. I have a couple, but in the regular material. Oh, and there's the inside on the top of the BRB, and then also here is in the tech pocket where it's kind of like felted or like a microfiber. That is beautiful. And here is another one of the Sea Fog. This one is a Be Quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and show the color. I love my Be Quicks. I don't know how many I have, but I have a pretty good amount, along with the Be Set pieces. Yeah, the inside is much darker than the lining of the other Chromatics I have. And here, the Be Quick comes with the shoulder strap, or the longer strap, and the wristlet strap. But that is such a beautiful color, and I love the Gold Tone colored hardware. It actually pops out pretty well up against the Sea Fog color, and I love the material. And then there was another one that was in there, and how is this? That is beautiful. I think this one's the Desert in the new Chromatics line. And I believe this is a Desert from the Chromatics line again, and I think this one's a Bestie. It's a pretty good size. I don't have a Bestie in like the raspberry jam or the Grape Crush. But this is a beautiful, very neutral color. And it's actually not that dark. Like you think like a dark brown. I don't know if it's coming, hopefully it's coming up. And using natural light from the outside. So hopefully it's coming out pretty nicely. And then inside, yep, this is a Bestie because this one comes with the strap that you can make it as a backpack or as a shoulder or crossbody carry. And there's that lining again. Kind of looks like a cappuccino color. I think the hardware is similar to the one. Oh, actually no. So it looks like the hardware is different from the Fog. But that's the desert at the bottom and Fog in the front. And if you can see the hardware, the Fog is a gold colored hardware and the desert is kind of a gold colored hardware, but not as yellow as it looked on the Sunbeam. Oh, that's so pretty. And then it looks like they sent me a set piece. Again, one of my favorite pieces to get from Jujube. And this one is in the desert, in the Chromatics line. And with the set pieces, it comes with 3 pieces. The large set piece, if you're not familiar with this, of course. The medium set piece. And then a small set piece. And then they come with the longer strap and the wristlet strap. Oh, these are, oh, I love it. These are such beautiful colors. Hopefully you can see it in the light much better, or in the camera. It's so neutral. This will go great with some of our those neutral prints that's out there. Oh, and then, oh, so looks like for desert, they are gonna come up with a, I forgot the name of that bag, that's that large duffel bag. Oh, that's cool. At least with this one, this is something I can see my husband using. The color just kind of reminds me of like a camo color. Kind of with like, matches like his fatigues that he wore back when he was in the military. Oh, look at that. There's a lining for that. And this just looks like it's so easy just to throw in the wash once you're done out traveling, using this at the airport, it touching the ground and nastiness. And that's what I love about Jujube bags. You can just, well, obviously majority of their bags you can throw in the wash and they're just easy to clean. Especially since I'm kind of like a little germaphobe. And then here is a spot where you can put shoes in, kind of its own different compartment. Oh, and it's so soft. I mean, if you haven't had a Chromatics, if you haven't tried Chromatics yet, this is probably be a nice neutral color that you can get and try out just to see how it feels. That is cool. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed going through this box with me as much as I have. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions, any requests of what you want me to do more close-ups of, more mod shots, things like that. Let me know so I can go ahead and work on those videos for you, okay? Okay, everybody, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.